Let's make a number 1. A slanting line, a standing line, and sleeping line. Its maker number 1. O-N-E 1. One apple. Now make a number 2. Make a curve and sleeping line. Its maker number 2. T-W-O 2. 2 bananas. Let's make a number 3. Make a curve and another curve. Its maker number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 3 balls. Let's make a number 4. A standing line, a slanting line, and then make a sleeping line. Its maker number 4. F-O-U-R 4. 4 dolls. Let's make a number 5. Make a sleeping line and a standing line and make a curve to the bottom. Its maker number 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5 beds. Let's make a number 6. Make a curve and a small circle. Its maker number 6. S-I-X 6. 6 boys. Let's make a number 7. Make a sleeping line and then slanting line. Its maker number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 7 girls. Now make a number 8. Make a circle and another circle to the bottom. Its maker number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8 cats. Now let's make number 9. Make a circle and then curve. Its maker number 9. N-I-N-E 9. 9 ice creams. Let's make a number 10. Make a slanting line and a straight line and sleeping line. Then make a 0. Its maker number 10. T-E-N 10. 10 dogs. Thank you for watching our video.